Working with fiber optic testing and got an OLTS results file? This stores measurement data from Optical Loss Test Set instruments used in network certification. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and analyze these OLTS test results files. We're going to solve this OLTS issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. OLTS. Files are test results. Files generated by Optical Loss Test Set instruments used in fiber optic network installation and certification. They store loss measurements at various wavelengths, fiber length data link quality assessments, and pass-fail certification results for fiber optic cabling infrastructure. OLTS files use vendor-specific formats from fiber test equipment manufacturers like Fluke Networks XFO or AFL, storing measurement records with wavelength-specific loss values, cable lengths, reference power levels, and link configuration information, following industry standards like TIA 568. The OLTS data container is optimally managed by Fluke LinkWare, developed by Fluke Networks. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows doesn't translate complex data structures, so specialized software is required to read them. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the OLTS file and choose Open With. Use Fluke LinkWare as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If you still cannot open your OLTS file, that is okay. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening in vendor software. Identify the OLTS instrument manufacturer and install corresponding software like Fluke LinkWare, XFO Fast Reporter, or AFL TRM. Launch the application and import the OLTS file to view detailed test results with loss measurements, wavelength performance, and certification status for the tested fiber links. Next, generating certification reports. Within vendor software, generate professional certification reports from OLTS test results in PDF format. These reports include link details, measurement values, industry standard compliance, and pass-fail status, providing documentation for installation, acceptance, and customer deliverables on fiber projects. Finally, exporting data. Export OLTS test data to CSV or other tabular formats for custom analysis or integration with project management systems. Tabular exports enable bulk processing of multiple test files, data trending analysis, and integration with cable management databases for enterprise network documentation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.